Well, hello guys. It's been a while. Time for another video. It's been a couple of months. I realized that my focus was not really on the social media part of my trading, but my own trading. So I feel like I want to share my experience again with you guys. So let's get right into it. Every weekend as a trader, I at least that's what I think. Um, do your technical analysis. Where are we looking at? What is the market doing? And let's hunt for opportunities. Everything I show you in my videos, like all previous videos on Instagram and everything, is just about the educational part of it all. Take a good look at how I go from multiple time frames, draw my support resistance, how I picture the market. I'm not selling any signals or stuff like that. I don't believe in that. But let's get focused on how trading is actually done, and then learn from it and be able to do your own trading and forget all the programs and things you have to pay for. If it's not, it's I wouldn't do that. So enough said. The dollar index, I posted about it yesterday on Instagram already. This is the weekly chart. Well, pretty obvious. Trend was moving up. The upside move is stalling a little bit. As you can see, we're starting to range on the weekly. Let's zoom in a little bit here. On the daily, we see in fact that market indeed is moving sideways. So a kind of a double top over here. That's where we can't seem to go past the 97.73. Then also we have some kind of a double bottom, but it's a tough zone. But it is the current zone we are moving in right now. So looking at this, it's not that much of a. This is also an interesting level, I think, because price tends to react to this level. This time it was a resistance level, but here it was a couple of times a support level. I'm not gonna put it in because there's too much breaks, so I'm not gonna use it for now. Then again, zoom in to the 4-hour chart, and this is what we see when we draw a trend line over here. Let's see. Then we can see that over here we got a couple of touches, and price reacted pretty aggressively last time it was over here. We have this pin bar here as well, so price does not want to be here near that 97.4 or 35. It fell, it broke lower. If you see this one, if you see this level over here, acted as support for a while, but right now it broke. It was on Friday, so price is probably coming back into this support, maybe now resistance, or maybe this trend line will act as a resistance from now on. It's not yet a reversal, but I think coming off of the bigger picture, I think this rally has come to an end. Yes, well, the next level to be watching, of course, is this level. So we do not have that much room. Price will potentially move between these two support and resistance levels, and then it will probably break to the downside or maybe to the upside. Trade what you see, not what you think. I can't stress it enough. So to me, this is a signal combined with this pin bar that we are probably seeing a kind of reversal. So I will be trading the dollar index on a zone between the 90s, let's say 97 and the 96.6, somewhere around here. So that being said, this is the dollar index. Let me go to some pairs I've found already. This is the Swiss franc, US dollar, coming off the weekly. Very important resistance zone over here. So once again, we moved into this level and we are seeing the first pin bar. Let's see if that pin bar will signal a reversal from here on out. This looks pretty aggressive. Price does not want to be here. We moved down from there. If we put in a This could be a let's see if we can get that one in on a 4-hour chart. I think if we use the bottom of this move, get a couple of connections. Yes, this is perfect. So on a bigger time frame, an important resistance level, price tried to get through a couple of times but failed. Again, price got slapped down again and is now back at this support level and also this trend level. So in my previous videos I talked about it. To me, this is a cluster or a zone where more than just support or more than just a trend line, there's more going on down here. So if this breaks, just to paint a picture for you guys, I would see it like, where is it? I would like to see a break of this level, and then of course price never just takes off, seldomly. So a retest could occur, and then we will see another move to the downside. I think let me draw it in. This is an important zone, resistance support kind of thing again, and then we have another one down here where support and resistance way over here. Oh, wait a minute, way over here. So probably I'll take a short from 1.00 something at the top of this channel, and then take my first profit off down here. Then maybe it comes back again, I'll do the same. If it breaks, I'll wait for a retest, and then I'll go short around the 99.9 for example, and then take my profit around here. So let's see if we can find new channels, but this time not in an uptrend but in a downtrend. Then again, if this does not break, I am not taking this trade. Depends on where I'm at and if I'm behind my trading actually, to see what's going on the lower time frames, for example the 15. This is just this is telling me nothing. So if I can see some kind of move, for example a high and then a move down and then again and the high breaks, then there is first some upward moment to be going through. So that's for the US dollar. Let me see, I'll take one more for this week because I am looking at the indices overall. For example the UK, this is let me show you what's going on here. Indices are not that strong in my opinion at the moment. After the sell-off last year that started in May, actually like 50% of 2018 was a sell-off in the FTSE 100. So this is the correction, quite obvious, a lot of people have been waiting for. Right now it's happening. These are some pretty green bars, so it's not happening just yet. But if you look at this kind of swings, let's see what happens over here. Let's see if we can get in some shorts or whatever once this breaks. But this is support right now, so there's a lot to happen until before actually calling this a reversal. So it's just pointing it out. This is kind of the same pattern. We had a fake breakout over here, and the French stock index is also trending pretty aggressively. So let's see what will happen over here. Stocks 50, also European stock index, is in an uptrend. It's pretty obvious, but don't forget the reason I'm showing you all is that this is just a correction. We are in a downtrend, I believe. This is quite interesting what I'm showing you guys over here. It's a little bit, there is some room to the upside, but we are running into a trend line over here, and that in combination with this level over here. So talking about clusters, this is starting to get interesting. So maybe next week we can see some stalling in all of the indexes. Same goes for the Russell. trending like crazy over here, but as you can see, we are running into this level for now. Maybe yeah, something like this. Well, doesn't matter. We have to see. It's just it's gonna find some resistance in the near future. When we draw in a trend line, it looks a little bit like this. I thought already there was a kind of a break, but didn't happen yet. Now this is same thing. Correction in an overall downtrend. I am watching this one. Same goes for this one. The S&P 500. Let me see if I can draw in something to give you the picture, the bigger picture. This is coming into this level, which should be very interesting. This is crazy move, of course. This is very strong. The talks with China are there are high hopes. Let me see. It's not really easy to draw this one in, but the whole world is looking at Trump and China. Everybody wants to see a deal happening there, so the stress about the economics are off a bit. This is it's very strong, so maybe we are just entering this new high, and we see some correction back to this trend line and potentially this support level. The S&P moves very clearly, so resistance, breakout, retest of resistance, move. Here we can see the same resistance, breakout, retest, and a move. So we'll see potentially see a move back to this trend line or resistance turning support. Well, that being said, so we got some forex things. We got the dollar index that's shifting. We got some indices I'm watching. Let's go on to next week. Maybe put in some cryptos, put in some commodities like oil or something. I hope you guys understand the way I'm watching this. I'm very pure in my price action. I don't believe in all the. Sometimes I talk to people and they throw in Fibonacci's or talk about waves, like the first or second wave is almost complete. It's kind of trying to look in the future, trying to predict price, and that is sometimes I think it's dangerous, because if I'm going to predict based on a Fibonacci that this is going to run until something, there is nothing there maybe. So let's first watch price action. For example, if we go into the 30 minutes, this was a move up, pretty choppy, but you know, this was a move up. If I would have been watching this, it was moving up, and there was no reason to take any trade in this whatsoever. Here the trend line broke, as well as this level that acted as support a couple of times. So to me, over here would be a level to short, of course. And then again, this is hard to watch because it's so choppy. Then again, it would be a pullback near this level, near this resistance. Maybe take a shorter over here. I don't know if that's a good idea, but at the end, it's kind of hard. But it's, you know, I hope you understand what I'm saying here. This was a pullback near resistance, now support, near a trend line, and when price is taking off from here, you know that is a logical reaction to price. And over here it's like, am I going to short now, or maybe I thought I was going to short here, or maybe I thought over here this is resistance, this time we're gonna form a double top, so this is the time. Who knows, we're at 27.77, maybe it goes up to 350, nobody knows. So I'm more of a let's trade it in the moment, let's trade it. And here's the same. Here, the same thing happened over here. This level broke and the correction kicked in. So I'm price action. Well, enough for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to be able to post some more videos in a short run. Thank you. Bye.